today we're gonna do a cut crease makeup here on Shante. My name is Danny, and yeah, enjoy the video with us. So she has her base on, and we're gonna just immediately start with the eye makeup. I'm gonna use Beauty Treats 24 Rose Gold palette today, and we're gonna start with this red color right here. I'm gonna use this in the crease. Just pat that off. And this is gonna be a half cut crease. So we're gonna get into that C, photographic C. Let's move it out to graphic. Okay, let's move on to the other side. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to cutting the crease. We're gonna go in with a Crease Cosmetics concealer. We're gonna use, if I can open this color right here. Always keep out with your little spatula. Because hygiene. Hygiene. We're gonna use this flat brush. After cutting the crease, we're gonna get our little shimmer color here from Creative Glamour. I don't know what this one's called. Rose. No, it's called Rose. Beautiful. That's really nice. And very nice and pigmented as well. I can open it. I won't offer to help it. Pop. Again. Pop goes the weasel. Pop goes the weasel. So basically what I'm doing here is I'm just using a darker color just to darken the deep purple that we have here. We're gonna just quickly blend out this top crease color. Now we're gonna just add a little bit of creamy color. I'm gonna use this one. This is Beauty Treats Strobing and Highlighter. So, underneath the eyes, we're going to take this little red color right here. Once again, I'm just going to put a little bit of it at the bottom. Na 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 na. Life
And the Grammy goes to
Shante. Alright, so now we're gonna do liner, and this is also Creative Glamour gel eyeliner number 1. Also, remember to scoop it out.
ruin the spatula.
Yes. To the back.
It's lipstick, okay, it's gone.
Okay, we're gonna do the bottom lash line also with the same gel eyeliner. We're gonna put eyelashes on. This is called Link 3D Hair. And then we're gonna use do a Creative Glamour. So now we're gonna do her eyebrows. We're gonna use Cosmetics London Eye Lure. We're gonna use this middle one right here. But first we're gonna comb out her eyebrow hairs. Right, now we're gonna do blush. I'm gonna use the Beauty Tree Matte Blush Contour Collection.